In this video, I will show you how to add text box in Canva. So click on text and just click on add a text box. Now type your text here. You can change font style. Select any font style from here. And these all options you can apply here in effects. Like you can add outline, background, so these are our options. And guys, here you will see ready to use font template. Just select and change your font or drag and drop in your project. And type your text. You can ungroup like some text has group. So ungroup them and make changes. So this way you can add text box in Canva. Thanks for watching.